In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apollo.io for LinkedIn automation. This will take about 5 minutes, and by the end, you'll have everything set up to make your LinkedIn networking a breeze. Let's dive in. Firstly, what you'll need to do is launch your preferred browser and head over to the web store. This is where you can find extensions that enhance your browser's capabilities. In this case, we'll be looking for a specific tool to help us automate LinkedIn tasks. Once you're at the web store, simply use the search bar prominently displayed at the top of the screen. Now, type in Apollo.io. As you're typing, you should see a list of suggestions or results dropping down beneath the search bar. You'll want to select the option that matches our search query precisely. Next, you'll be directed to a page dedicated to Apollo.io. This is where you can view details about the tool, such as its purpose, developer information, user reviews, and other relevant specifics. It's always a good idea to skim over these details to ensure that the extension suits your needs. Now, to add Apollo.io to your browser, look for the Add to Chrome button on the right, which should be highlighted or stand out in some way. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear, asking you to confirm this action. This is a standard security measure to ensure you're aware of what's being added to your browser. Go ahead and hit Add Extension. This will initiate the download and installation process, which usually takes only a few moments. After successfully adding the Apollo.io extension, you should see its icon appear around the top right corner of your browser, near the URL bar. This confirms that the installation was correctly done. At this stage, you might be required to log in to your Apollo.io account. This step is crucial as it allows the extension to access certain data needed to perform the automation tasks. If you do not have an account, follow the on-screen instructions to set one up. Once logged in, it's a good time to explore the extension's dashboard briefly. Familiarizing yourself with its interface can help you maneuver through its options and settings more easily. And you can also customize certain features according to your preferences. That's all there is to it. You now have Apollo.io ready to help you automate LinkedIn processes efficiently. Whether you're looking to streamline your networking, save time, or increase your productivity, using Apollo.io adds a powerful tool to your LinkedIn strategy. Thank you for tuning in today. Hopefully, this guide has made the setup clear and straightforward. Stay connected, and see you in our next video.